everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope you are safe and healthy. So our today's video is again a visual perceptual activity, but before starting this video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the regular notifications. Moreover, this video is in both languages, Hindi and English. If you want to watch in English, continue with this video. And अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते तो उसका लिंक मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है, आप उस पर क्लिक कीजिए और पूरी वीडियो जो है वो आप हिंदी में देख पाएंगे, राइट? Now let's get started and see how to do this activity. So for this activity I have just used a thick white sheet, and here as you could see I have made some patterns using green dots. You can use any color or any pattern. Here I have made some cards as well to do this activity, so I'll just place all of these cards here and then we will see how we can do this activity. So after placing these cards, now let's see how child is supposed to do this activity basically, right? So if child pick this card, so child just have to take care of the slant line and two dots near it. So two out of these two dots, one is very near to the slant line and one is in the corner, so child just have to find that the same on the master sheet and would place it over that like this. After that, the next one, if child take this card, then child just have to find the same image on the master sheet. These two green dots are just near the slant lines, near the corner, so child would place it here, right? After that, again the same pattern, but this time this green dots are little bit away from the corner, so child would find the same on the master sheet and would place it here. After that, our next one is again the same kind of pattern, so child would take care of the slant line this time and would place it over this like this, right? After that, child would pick the next one. This time these green two dots are near the corners of and very near to slant line as well, so child would place it here. After that, the next pattern is two dots, one is corner and one is very near to the slant line, so child would place it over the same pattern. After that, the next one is, as you could see, one dot in the corner and one is near the slant line, so child would place it over, and the last one is here. So accordingly, child would find the same pattern on the master sheet and would place it over that, right? So like this, child is supposed to do this activity. This is a very fine activity for the visual perception as well as for the brain development of the child, right? Hope you find this video useful. If so, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do let me in the comment section what you think about this activity. Now let's see Amish how he's doing this one. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you try this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.